Over the weekend, the Duke Tip scholars on the Kansas University campus took a trip to the KU Natural History Museum. The Natural History Museum on the campus is part of KU's Biodiversity Institute, studying the changing life and cultures of Earth. There are 6 floors, each featuring a variety of exhibitions, ranging from fossils found in Kansas to a live hive of bees. When we first walked in, directly in front of us was a display of realistic models of different environments on planet Earth, stretching from one wall to another. We first visited the Arctic tundra where we learned about the wildlife, for example the life-size model of a polar bear. Next, we visited the rainforest exhibit. We learned that half of all known plant and animal species on Earth are found in rainforests.
Then we decided to head downstairs to the fossils. We encountered a large dinosaur in the immediate entrance. On this floor, we learned that fossils are the organic remains of previously living organisms.
On our way up to the next floor, we saw photographs of penguins in their natural habitats. On the next floor, we actually saw the penguins. They were dead and filled with stuffing, of course.
So, what was your favorite part of the Natural History Museum?
I really like the dead penguins.
On this floor, we saw some pretty amazing models of prehistoric marine life. Heading up to an upper floor, we encountered a hive of live bees. There's a clear plastic tube that leads to the outside, which is why it is always buzzing with bees.
So, Riley, what was your favorite part of the museum? The bees.
On the top floor, we saw a row of blown-up pictures of colorful tapeworms. Our friend John learned about HIV viruses.
We had a photo shoot with some of the banners, the animals corresponding to each of us. As you can see, the similarities are uncanny. As we were leaving, we stopped at the gift shop to talk to another student.
What was your favorite part of the museum?
I don't know, it was all pretty cool.
Oh, so what's your favorite part of the exhibit?
I really enjoyed them Dakota Raptors.
As we leave the museum, the tipsters make a graceful exit, Mia tripping over the steps and John making eye contact with the camera. We can't wait for the next visit.
Pennsylvanian in Kansas is noted for a really interesting specimen. This is a model of Petrolacosaurus, which is from the Garnett Quarry about an hour and a half south of the University of Kansas campus. And it's famous for being the earliest known diapsid reptile. So diapsid reptiles are the groups that include lizards, snakes, turtles, crocodilians, dinosaurs, birds, pterosaurs. Basically anything that you typically think of as a reptile belongs to this group, and this is the earliest from the Pennsylvanian of Kansas. So, the last little point I was going to make, this is a great example of the Great American Biotic Interchange. Over here you have the dire wolf and you have a Smilodon, both North American or Eurasian taxa, both carnivorans. And then over here you have a ground sloth, and these are the sort of endemic South American groups that include armadillos and anteaters. So we have ground sloths preserved in the fossil record here in Kansas and throughout most of North America and South America. Again, you have things, cats and dogs, just like this Smilodon and dire wolf, still present today. Jaguars, Maine wolves, raccoon dogs. I think maybe raccoon dogs are Asian. Don't quote me on that.